Hello everyone, this is Pushpa Hirve, librarian AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I am here to give brief knowledge about the library ontology organizing knowledge. Nowadays we are living in Web 2.0 area, so it is most useful concept to implement in the libraries, which is not seen in India, that many libraries know the initiative has been started on library ontology in India. So I have chosen this topic to introduce you all the my library professionals. Now we will start the presentation or lecture. Uh, First, we will see the definition of ontology. Ontology is a set of representational primitives with which to model a domain of knowledge and discourse. The representational primitives are typically classes or sets, attributes or properties, and relationships or relations among the classes. Importance of ontology in information organization. To ensure a common understanding of information, they make explicit domain assumptions. As a result, the interconnectedness and interoperability of model make it invaluable of addressing the challenges of accessing and query data in large organizations. Also, the third one is to enhance data quality by improving metadata and pronounces and thus allowing organizations to make better sense of their data and ontology enhance the data quality. The next is the understanding of ontology in the context of information science. In information science, an ontology encompasses a representation, formal naming, and definitions of the categories, properties, and relations between the concepts, data, or entities that pertain to one, many, or all domains of discourse. More simply, an ontology is a way of showing the properties of a subject area and how they are related by defining a set of terms, relational expressions that represents the entities in the subject area. Next, we will see the role of ontology in knowledge representation. An ontology specifies a rich description of terminologies, concepts, nomenclature, relations among the concepts, hierarchical and lattice, rules distinguishing concepts, refining definitions and relations, constraints, restrictions, regular expressions relevant to a particular domain or area of library ontology. We will see the library ontology overview. A library ontology refers to a structure representation of knowledge about libraries, their components, operations, resources, relationships, and other pertinent aspects using the principles of ontology. First, we have seen the ontology in the context of information science only. This is an overview of library ontology. Next, is the in the context of library science, a library ontology encompasses concepts. This includes entities such as books, journals, patrons, librarians, library branches, ontology systems, etc. The second one is relationships, describing how different entities which the library domain are related to each other. For example, a book is authored by an author, borrowed by a patron, belongs to a certain category, etc. The third one is properties. Properties is the attributes or characteristics of entities in the library domain. Example, a book may have properties such as title, author, publication, year, ISBN, etc. Fourth one is a classification. Hierarchical organizations of library resources and concept. For instance, book might be classified by genre, subject, author, etc. Fifth one is processes, describing workflows and operations within a library context, such as book acquisition, cataloging, circulation, interlibrary loan, etc. By formalizing the knowledge about libraries into an ontology, it becomes possible to structure and organize information systematically. This can facilitate tasks such as information retrieval, resource discovery, interoperability between library systems, and the development of intelligent library applications and services. Additionally, it provides a framework for discussing and understanding the domain of libraries in a precise and standardized manner. The next one is why this library ontology is required, or the purpose of library ontology. We will see the next. To facilitating efficient information retrieval, enhancing resource discovery, supporting interoperability, interoperability between library systems, improving systematic understanding of library resources. Then we will see the components of library ontology. First one is classes. Classes representing concepts or entities in the library domain. Properties describing relationships between classes. Instances, specific examples of classes. Axioms, logical statement defining constraints and rules within the ontology. Then we will see the tools and languages used for the creating ontology, any ontology, not only library ontology. These are the basic tools and languages required for creating the ontology. The first one is Protege. Protege is one of the most widely used ontology development platform. It provides a user-friendly interface for creating and editing ontologies using the web ontology language, that is OWL. Protege supports various plugins and extensions, making it highly customizable and extensible. Next one is OWL, Web Ontology Language. OWL is a semantic web language designed to represent ontologies. It is based on description logic and provides constraints for defining classes, properties, individuals, and relationships between them. OWL is supported by various ontology editors and reasoning engines. The next one is RDF, that is Resource Description Framework. RDF is a framework for describing resources on the web. It provides a simple model for representing information and relationships using triples, subject, predicate, object statements. RDF can be used as the foundation for building ontologies and is often used in conjunction with. The next one is SparkQL. SparkQL is a query language for querying RDF data. It allows users to retrieve and manipulate data stored in RDF format. SparkQL queries can be used to retrieve information from ontologies and link data sources. The last one is the second last is Protege Frames. Protege Frames is another module within the Protege platform that allows users to create ontologies using a frame-based representation. While it's less commonly used compared to OWL, it provides a simpler interface for ontology development, especially for users who are more familiar with frame-based systems. Then Top Braid Composer is a comprehensive ontology modeling tool that supports the development of ontologies using OWL, RDF, and other related standards. It provides features for ontology editing, visualization, and integration with external data sources. Then Jina. Apache Jina is a Java framework for building semantic web and linked data applications. It provides APIs for working RDF, OWL, and Spark QL, making it suitable for ontology development and semantic web programming. These tools and languages play a crucial role in various domains such as semantic web, knowledge engineering, information integration, and artificial intelligence applications. They enable the creation of structured and formalized representations of knowledge which can be used for data integration, reasoning, and decision making tasks. The example of ontology is in LIS is FRBR, that is functional requirements for bibliographic records. This conceptual model is developed by IFLA to help organize and represent bibliographic information in library catalogs and other bibliographic databases. This is all about the background of ontology, the FRBR model. We will see in the next presentation. For meanwhile, I am just preparing this for only to clear the concept of ontology in the context of library science. So thank you very much, and hope you like this presentation and video. Please share and like my presentation. Thank you.